Hi, Daddy.
Hey, you ready for a ride?
Okay.
All right.
Ready, guys?
Ready. Bye-bye. You ready to go? Huh?
Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye. This is the aftermath of the snowstorm. We out here trying to clean the cars and dig them out so we can go to the store. The streets are pretty clear, and Delassie and Doji are having a lot of fun.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Hi, Doge.
I went out and started digging, but I decided to start with the porch because that's more important than the cars.
You're just gonna sit there.
Delassie has her scooper and her wagon that she's carrying snow in so she can play in the snow. Doji's sitting in the snow, and that's why he got really cold quick.
No. Oh, Katie's almost done. Hi, Daddy.
Hello. Trying to get Doji to understand the snow. Yeah, so we got some snow out. The snow is melting. I don't think this is going to be the only snow we're going to get for the season. The car is almost ready. Just gotta get some of the snow off
Yeah.
the hood and this avalanche on top of it. It's gonna fall off. Hey, you ready for a ride?
Okay.
All right. Well, we're gonna try to get out of this snow and drive our way out of here. Yeah. Let's see how this goes. All right, we about to head out of here now. See how this goes. You ready, Delassie? Yeah. Oh boy. Oh, that went well. And we out of here. The streets are actually not that bad at all. So most of the stores on the side and everybody's yard. So the streets are really clear. So I had no problem getting to the store. And we back.